how to turn off or on pet profiles permission on Amazon Shopping on Android or iOS phone. First open Amazon Shopping and then click the storylines here and then click settings, and here we'll find permissions, and after that just wait and then scroll down and uh, and here is it, pet profile. You can turn it on or off, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.